So now we bring in Chief Meteorologist Tim Smith. And Tim, so we've seen about that energy use of air conditioners. We've seen what the weather's been like lately, hot. So how much longer is this heat going to stick around?
Oscar, I think it's going to be with us for a while. I mean, you look at what we had today, and it was so far above normal. I mean, look at these numbers. Rio Grande City reached 104 this afternoon. It was 100 in McAllen, 97 in Edinburgh, and also in Harlingen. Weslaco was 94, and then 91 Brownsville and Port Isabel this afternoon. And I think tomorrow is almost as hot. In fact, if you look at the highs, the average high for this time of year is 82. We're way above that. Tomorrow, maybe 3 or 4 degrees cooler, but still well above average. Saturday, a degree cooler, but still well above average. And then finally, Sunday, when we cool down, we're still really close to the 30-year normal. So yes, it's going to cool down eventually, but it'll still be at or above average all the way into the weekend. Now today, McAllen made it up to 100 degrees. Last time McAllen made it to 100 degrees, you remember when it was? Think back, think back. If you happen to think back to October the 11th, that's when it was. So this is our first 100-degree day since October the 11th. It's been several months since we've been that warm. There's a cool front on the way, though. Look off to the left of the screen. You can see that cool front on the move, and that's what's going to change things on Saturday and Sunday. Again, I think Saturday's still warm because the front's not here yet, but it comes in late in the day, could trigger a brief shower. To the north of us, maybe a thunder shower, and then Sunday, we're slightly cooler. You see a little bit of green on there, spotty showers possible, but nothing really big. And you go into Sunday night, I think some moisture starts to build back in. There could be a leftover shower on Monday, and then another front comes in about Wednesday of next week. And notice, Wednesday we drop it back to 83 again. So a couple of hot days, a normal day, a couple of hot days, a normal day, and then we start the warming process all over again. As for rain, I think there's a chance late Saturday, Saturday night, and Sunday, and then that lingers into Monday. Tuesday's kind of a question mark. Tuesday could go either way, but I think by Wednesday we are dry again. So you put all those together, you still don't have a very good chance of rain, but at least there's a possibility. We need rain because this is last week's drought monitor, and here's this week's drought monitor. It hasn't changed a whole lot. Most of the valley either extreme or severe. You get up around Falcon Lake, and the drought is considered exceptional. Here are our studios in Weslaco. We've had nothing today, of course, and we're running at about 33% of normal for the year to date, so we could certainly use some more rain. Not in the forecast for tonight, though. Breezy early, some patchy fog later, 73 for a low. Then tomorrow, a lot of sunshine after some morning clouds burn off up to 93. So again, maybe not as hot as today, but the wind like today will be relatively gusty once again. There's your next 7 days, a 93 and 92. A little cooler Sunday with a chance of a shower or two. Monday we warm right back up again. Then another front Tuesday and Wednesday cools things off for the middle part of next week. Bottom line, the next 2 days, very, very warm. That's your updated First One 5 AccuWeather forecast.